Alright, so it's the next day. We're currently in Ginza and we're going to the Aquarium Museum. We saw about it on Instagram and TikTok. This is basically a glow-in-the-dark aesthetic aquarium. Neon aquarium. Pretty much. It looks fire. I'm about to take some pictures in there. I got a 360 cam. I'm gonna see if I can get some good footage with that and import it into the vlog. We just had some pancakes, some fluffy pancakes. It was so good.
Japanese pancakes, they were fire. So good, like in the animes.
Literally. Mine had chocolate chips, hers was the regular French ones. But real good. Good price too. It was only like $40 for everything we got. And we about to go in the elevators up one floor. Alright, we're currently looking for the aquarium. It's a little loud right now, but that's part of it. That's like the sign of it. Over there, I think. Tickets, I see. It's currently Sunday. Everyone and their mom is outside. We are here. Wow, this is pretty. Water's overflowing on the sides.
これは成分。
水が当たる。カメラの方向ける。
This is one way. I think we gotta go the other way if you wanna enter.
Osaka どうかすらもない。
What is this? Oranda. Crystal eye. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, respectfully. Lion head or Rhonda. I see why. Let's see if I can get as much of the fish as possible, because I do want to get other videos like on my phone. Bristol Shin Shubin, however you pronounce that. Muse. Saw that one. This one pretty. I think I saw that one already. Shukin. I think I saw that one already. Alright, we on to the next one. They got these little personal gloves for some of the fish. Honestly, the aesthetic is crazy. Beautiful. Vibrant ass colors. I need to show the other side too. So that was fuel. Look at that, swimming around over there. Towards the end, there's another room I have to go into, but this is pretty cool. I think this is the last room, but check this out. Ooh, sorry. Alright, y'all, it's been like a day so far because we were traveling to Osaka. So I didn't have time to record or take pictures or record anything because we were traveling all day on the bullet train and all that. But we're currently in Osaka. I'm not sure what the name of this tower is that we're at. I'm about to put pictures that I took as I was coming up the tower. But look at the view from the top. We're at the top of the tower. Just look at that.
Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Huh?
Yeah, very beautiful for real. I'm about to walk around to show y'all. Oops, sorry. My God, just look at the city. It's so beautiful.
Oh, whoosh.
Kristen, how you feel about the view?
It's pretty beautiful, really nice. And there's a nice breeze. When you go from east to west, there's a breeze in between, which is nice.
I'm about to see if I feel that once I get to the other side. Look at all the greenery. Okay, now I feel the breeze. This is like the entrance area for where the tower is. I'm gonna see if I can get video from after we go back down, just because I didn't get. We were going up because I had to focus on going up like 9 flights of stairs, which I felt in my legs. I don't know if you guys hear the breeze, but I feel it. It feels amazing.
थोड़ा सा और ब्राइटनेस अच्छी इसमें
Alright, y'all, we currently left the Osaka Castle, but this is it right here. Very beautiful, a lot of ancient history behind this castle. There's a couple like exhibits on certain artifacts from back in the time when the castle was first created, but they weren't allowing photography and video, so I didn't get none. But we out here.